Here we are again, happy as can be.
Merry Vlogmas! It's the second dressing gown day of Vlogmas this year. I feel like death warmed over. Fun times, fun times. So
second helpings, eh?
yeah, yeah. Well, no, this is all from my booster jab yesterday.
Oh right.
Yeah.
What day?
You've been jabbed.
22.
At the top there.
Yep. Right.
Oh, that's the raspberry mousse one again, isn't it?
Yeah. Smoothie.
Oh, you like that?
No, I think that was tier 2, but we need to. Yeah. Yesterday we were very unenthusiastic about it. Yeah, tier 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
It's got a funny taste actually. But I'll finish.
Well, let's hope that Mum's is slightly more exciting for her today. 22 is down there. And then I might actually make myself a hot chocolate. Oh,
I think there's 2.
oh good.
I think there's 2.
What does the door say?
Yeah. Follow our stars. 2 caramel supernovas with a pinch of salt.
Oh, we do like a salted
Very
caramel.
promising.
We do enjoy a salted. Oh, they've got little red dots in them as well.
What's that mean? Ooh.
Just Dad's had a little red dot on it.
Oh, right. What was that, the one today?
This is ours today, yeah. Just
Oh.
throw them on the floor.
Right. Only the paper.
Oh, that looks very similar.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Is it the same or not?
Cheers. No, these are salted
Cheers.
caramel.
Oh right.
I took all the filling out of that. It's just a shell.
I hope everyone notices that you're eating twice as much chocolate as I am.
No, I share it.
Oh.
And I share it with you too. Oh, what is he like? Very nice. Cheer one.
Could be some time.
Are these all done?
Good job I could be some time because you're not going to have a conversation whether I finish filming or not.
You carry on.
I feel so good. Okay, so day 22 for me is, oh, more pink. And we have lots of fold over elastic and strap elastic. So there's 2 fold over elastics, 1 strap elastic, and then silver sliders and rings as well, which again I will show you closer up when I go down to the sewing room.
That deep pink is lovely.
Because I am going to go down to the sewing room because I do have to do filming today. I have to start filming today. Mum hasn't finished the dressing gown yet though.
She's going down in a minute.
She's going down in a minute. So there's no rush because I am moving at a snail's pace today. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning the minute my painkillers ran out and just was then like, okay, this is unpleasant. This is very, very unpleasant. I mean, it's just, it feels like my whole body aches, all my joints ache. It feels like what you would get with the flu, but it is just my booster jab and it is one of those things and I was expecting it. I just hope it doesn't last longer than today because I do need to film and I've got to try and do some energetic stuff today because there's all the twirls that I need to film today at the very least. So wish me luck. Seagulls are noisy. Okay, so again, I'm gonna have to go and get some scissors. Okay, so we've got the rings and sliders, smaller size in silver, and then we have some nude coloured strap elastic, and then a kind of dusky, bright but dusky pink, and a much more muted pink fold over elastic. So that is day 22. I've got makeup on for the first time in well over a month, I think. My skin is going to regret this tomorrow, although I still have stuff to film tomorrow. I do not feel good. I do not feel good at all, but I need to at least get some stuff filmed today to get started on the editing because I have a lot that I want to get filmed. and a lot that I want to put up before I leave for Christmas. So yeah, painkillers for the win. I don't know how long my voice is going to hold up. It doesn't sound great, does it? Never mind. I also got ready in a dark room without lights on. I think I might have put too much makeup on, but never mind. Never mind. So yeah, I'm going to start with the twirls because that's the most exhausting part, is putting together the outfits and then like doing the videos of the outfits and taking the photos and stuff like that, and then the rest of it I can sit down for. So let's get started with that. I have my Christmas Day outfit on and my beach pajamas, which are lovely, and it's currently 20 degrees in here and I actually do feel quite comfortable in them, so that's good. Dance party time! Perfecting camera angles. You still look wonky. I filmed the 12s and I have filmed the December lookbook and I am done. I have something like 12 videos to film. I need to go and sleep. So I don't even know if I'm going to be putting a Vlogmas out tomorrow. I'm going to be putting the December lookbook out for tomorrow. That's what I'm going to do this afternoon, is get that edited and uploaded and done. So there will be a video tomorrow, but I have a feeling that I'm going to be smooshing day 21 and day 22 together for Vlogmas, because otherwise it's probably going to be like 5 minutes of me just going "Ugh." So yeah, gonna go and do some editing now. All the editing and quite a lot of sleeping, and I'm just hope that I feel way better tomorrow, because this sucks. But I kind of knew that this was going to happen, and I probably shouldn't have booked my booster jab for yesterday. I probably, knowing that I wanted to do all this filming, probably should have booked it for when I was up in London and after Christmas, but never mind. I've had it done now, which is awesome, and it does make me feel safer about going to London on Friday. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to quit moaning at you guys. I'm going to take this up and get this edited, and we'll see how that progresses. Fingers crossed you're seeing this on the 22nd, but at least seeing something on the 22nd. It's so nice to be back in my dressing gown. Ooh, fluff. So I just had to go down and refilm the twirls for the 7974 because I realised that I did the kind of like comparison twirls, not the standard this is what I've made twirls. Yeah, I couldn't get any usable footage out of it, so I've just headed back down, filmed those, which is good. And then I've also realised that the comparison twirls I definitely need to do in front of a plain white background, so that it's obvious what the difference is, because with the rack of clothing behind it, it kind of blends in, especially as I'd put the similar prints right behind where I was twirling. That's Chiana plucking the inside of my ballet shoes. You done? So yeah, Mum and Dad are going out this evening for Dad's 70th birthday dinner. They did offer to postpone again for me, and they did offer to bring me with them, but I would be absolutely miserable company today. I need an early night, and I don't want to have to make them be the ones that, like, you know, be like, I need to leave now, I need to go home, because I also have a lot of editing to do this evening. So I am going to be party pooper and stay home, but at least they're going and they're gonna have a lovely time. I think Dad's feeling well enough to actually enjoy it, and they're taking their friend Susan, who took us to the Royal for her birthday dinner, so they're taking her to the Smoking Lobster, which is a place on the seafront in Ventnor that I've been to the venue, but I've not been to it as its current iteration, and I would really have loved to go, but yeah, I would not have been good company this evening. So I'm going to take some more painkillers. I'm going to stop whining about being in pain, because it is literally just the side effects of my booster jab. It's that is it. That is it. And I knew I was going to feel like this, and last time it was 24 hours, so I'm hoping it's the same this time, and I can be back on form tomorrow, nice and bright and cheery, because I've got all of those other videos to film, which I'm really looking forward to as well. I always enjoy doing the year in review, and like the kind of did I do the thing or did I not do the thing. I think I've done quite well with my Make 9 this year. I've done 8 out of the 9 fabrics that I said I was going to, but I'm not sure how I did with the sewing bingo that Romy Kate put up. I don't know how I've done with that. I won't know how I've done with that until I go through the lookbook to actually see. But yeah, 94 things. 94 things. I didn't do too badly, although some of them have already been donated. Some of them are definitely not staying in the wardrobe, but it's been a good year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the review tomorrow. But back to editing now, and I think I have enough waffle that you will be seeing this on the 22nd, as well as the December lookbook. Fingers crossed. Let's hope I haven't spoken too soon. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to say goodnight to you guys, because whilst it is only it's 5 to 5 in the afternoon, I am probably not going to pick the camera up again. It's going to deteriorate rapidly from here. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I did film today. Sorry I have been whining. I promise to be on top form tomorrow, regardless of how I'm feeling. I shall hide it well. But yes, I hope you enjoyed my day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.